Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So here let us first see the chemical properties which we are going to study. First is reaction with acid. So first is reaction with acid. So when metals react with acid, hydrogen gas is liberated. Metals reacts with acids to liberate hydrogen gas. And when non-metals react with acid, then there is no reaction. Non-metals do not react with acid, shows no reaction with acids. Then second chemical property is reaction with water. Second is reaction with water. So metals react with water only if their reactivity is high, and the non-metal does not react with water, but it is usually reactive in air. So only metals with high reactivity react with water. High reactivity react with water, and non-metals do not react, and non-metals do not react. Then third chemical property is reaction with base. Reaction with base. So when a metal reacts with base, then some metals react with base and lead to the production. So in case of metals, some metals react with base and lead to the production of metallic salt, and hydrogen gas gives metallic salt and hydrogen gas upon reacting with base, while the reaction between a non-metal and a base is very complex in nature, but reaction of non-metal with base is very complex. Then our next chemical property is reaction with oxygen. Fourth is reaction with oxygen. So metals burn in the presence of oxygen, a metallic oxide is produced. So metal plus oxygen gives out metallic oxide, and these oxides are basic in nature. And when non-metal reacts with oxygen, oxides of non-metals are formed, and these oxides are acidic in nature. So non-metal plus oxygen gives out non-metallic oxides, and these are acidic in nature. So this is all about the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Hope you have understood. Thank you.